Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right here. Manchester police investigating rash of motorcycle thefts. 4 bikes reported stolen in city this month. Manchester police are investigating multiple recent instances of motorcycle thefts in the city. It's not clear at this time if the thefts are related. Devin Gallupew is among the victims. He had just purchased his motorcycle 5 days earlier when it was stolen. His is one of at least 4 that have been reported stolen in Manchester since the beginning of May. 2 of the thefts happened Tuesday. The thefts have been happening at apartment complexes near the Hooksett Town line. People are urging to park in well-lit areas to prevent theft. Many are falling victim despite taking multiple steps to secure their property. Gallupew shared photos of his motorcycle on social media in hopes that someone might spot it somewhere, but he assumes it was stolen to be scrapped for parts. He said whoever did it must need the money, but it's disappointing that they would resort to stealing. So far, investigators haven't been able to track down any surveillance video related to any of these cases. Anyone with information about these thefts should contact Manchester Police at 603-668-8711. And that is it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.